They have like flamingos everywhere. Yeah. We are actually going to Gateway for my early birthday because it's June now. Okay guys, so we are finally done eating. We made it across the trains, across the security, and yeah, we just finished eating. We all had different lunches, but okay. So I don't know where we're gonna go next. So now to arrive in Gateway later. My cara Mia! Why is that light so beautiful? Oh wow. The more I zoom in, the more it's so beautiful. Wow, look at that. I want to take a picture of it because I want to. Okie dokie guys, so we are now leaving the mall. I think we are, I'm not sure, but I think we are leaving the mall. And I'm actually kind of excited. So, yeah. I saw that there's like a manga shop here, so I'm gonna try to see. I'm going to see if how much the manga is because I really want some manga. And it's not the mango in Tagalog. It's like anime comic books, you know. It's where anime comes from, and I want to get some manga too. So yeah. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello po.
Alright, let's go.
Oo nga, kaya nga. Tanggalin mo, huwag kang mag-video pag ano.
Wow, guys, look at that. It changes colors. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, guys, so we had to rest at Dunkin' because we are like, you know, we've been walking for 2 hours and we also got this milk tea. It's very big. But yeah, and I just realized the escalator isn't working. Let me show you. As you can see, guys, the escalator is not working, so that's very sad. That's how big this thing is compared to my hand. Let's see. So big. Oh my god. I guess it's good. Okay guys, so at this point of the video, we're actually going home. And I actually got to sit on the train. And my parents were just like standing. But I sat on the train to get these beautiful shots. I'm so sad that the windows weren't clear, but I guess you guys can still see them, right? Yeah, I can still see the buildings. Oh, and also, you can enjoy this part because it's very nice and it's just me on the train, just recording, doing things, and yeah, so I'll let you enjoy this train ride with me.